Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Mario back at it again with another video, and I just wanted to talk to you guys really quickly today. Make it a really short video, but it's about Spectre. If you guys want to check it out, I'm definitely gonna leave some details in there for you, and also the interview that I watched and the white paper, of course, so you guys can check it out. Do your due diligence, and see if this is something you guys want to invest in. Now, really quickly, what's going on in CoinMarketCap? As you see, Bitcoin's actually declining surprisingly. After skyrocketing up past new all-time highs, hitting about, I think it went up to 5,800, and we actually surpassed our we touched our the top of where we were at back in September, as we seen in our last video. Let's go here to the charts. So yeah, we went all the way up to $5,852. So maybe a good time to buy. If you guys are planning on getting some Bitcoin before the hard fork on the 25th, as it's taking its little dip here, about $300 down. So to get into it, really, let's talk about Spectre really quick. So the name of the website is called Spectre AI. It's ran by this guy named K, where you can come down here and pretty much ask him anything. And pretty much what this is a forex trading digital binaries options type deal. Pretty much what they're trying to do is actually help out with people who like to do binary options and kind of translate that over to cryptocurrencies. So if you guys are kind of familiar with binary options, you kind of know how that works. And for the people who don't, essentially what it is, to put it in a simple way, is it's so pretty much what you do is, for example, you want to bet one Bitcoin that Bitcoin's going to go up after you place your trade. So say Bitcoin's at right now 5,500, you think it's going to go up to 5,600, so you place your bet while it's at 5,500. Say it's going to go up, and if it does, according to what he was saying, it actually you end up getting between a 70%, which is, I think, is outrageous, to 90% gains. But of course, if it goes down, which it definitely could, guess what? You lose all your money. And on top of that, you do have to pay a 2% fee. So the cool thing about this, though, it is the world's first brokerless financial trading platform on cryptocurrency, and that's essentially what they're trying to do. Now, 2% compared to what you would pay on a binary options page is significantly way lower. So this is definitely pretty cool. Pretty much go over here with you guys really quick. You can actually already start trading if you join their platform. Right now, it is in the pre ICO state, which ICO hasn't started yet. The pre ICO hasn't started yet, but you can actually sign up if you go right here and register for the pre ICO. Now, it's not available actually for US citizens, which they're trying to make it available eventually in the future, but at this moment, it isn't available. But you guys know, for you guys out there who are tech savvy, to get around these things, if you know what I mean. Maybe VPNs, or but you didn't hear that from me. So pretty much, let's go back here. They have a max supply of 240 million tokens, and they're only doing 50% through the ICOs and what's going to come onto the platform. Now, pretty much there are two tokens. There's a Spec D, which is the dividend token, and then they have the Spec U, which is the utility token. The Spec U is the one that's actually going to be used on the platform for you to do the trading, whether it's peer-to-peer or if you're going to do the binary options trading. Now, they do plan on actually adding more things onto their platform in the future. They're actually going to do dApps as well and a few other things. Now, actually, to translate back as well to um, the way you can make money through the platform, there actually is a low risk version available as well, where you can actually make money off of how many pips or how much it's gonna go up over a period of time. So you can actually learn a little bit more about that through the video. There's a interview that I watched. He's making a funny face right now. That's priceless. So, um, yeah, he talks pretty much about the whole deal of what Spectre's about. Answers some questions maybe that you guys don't find in the white paper. And you can just listen to this video. I'll make sure I add this in the link. And check this guy out on YouTube. He's actually really good. YLGV has some really good content. So definitely add him as well. Now, back to their website. You can watch their videos. Check that out. There's a lot of information on here, actually, where you can pretty much find out everything you need about them. They got their roadmap, what they plan on doing. As you can see, the token presale, which is coming up here in Q4. I did write down that information for you guys, where the ICO is actually starting pre ICO. I should write that here. Pre ICO, which is going to go on through September 27th to November 5th. And then they have the ICO, which is going to go on from about the 15th, he said, to the 17th till about December. Now, you can get a 33% bonus right now. And according to him, the utility token and the dividend token is going to be about 15 cents each. So, um, pretty much what the difference is the dividend token, you're going to make money off of the volumes that are traded. So you're going to end up getting 2% off of volumes traded. The utility token, of course, as I was saying earlier, is for when you're making trades on the exchange. So, for like the example earlier with the Bitcoin, if you think Bitcoin's going to go up, you can buy some of these tokens and you're going to go ahead and put it down and bet that Bitcoin and, let it go up. Now, also, what's available as well is what I think is really cool is that it actually learns the way you trade after about 50 trades, and so that you can get soft warnings and also um, some risk management as well. So after a while, if you make some bad trades on like Ethereum or Bitcoin, it'll eventually tell you like, hey, around 7 o'clock, you usually don't make good trades on Ethereum or Bitcoin. Maybe you should try something else. But of course, you could still go through with the trades. It's just a soft warning. Now, there's also a risk management implementation as well, which I think is super interesting, which pretty much helps people not blow their accounts. And how it does that is by locking you out of your account after you lose a certain amount of money. I'm not 100% clear on how exactly, if that's something that is automatically implemented or if that's something you can implement yourself or enable or disable. Now, the utility token is going to be the only one that's actually on exchanges because, as you guys know, only thing that's really allowed to be on exchanges is when it passes the Howey test. If you don't know what the Howey test is, I'll also attach that into the video description as well. And the dividend token, which doesn't pass the Howey test, is actually going to be on like lower exchanges, kind of like Ether Delta, and pretty much any decentralized exchange that doesn't really comply with regulation. So yeah, this is just a really quick overview, guys. I didn't want to waste too much time, but definitely check this out because I really thought this was going to be interesting. I like to bring up pre ICOs more just because of the fact that I feel like it's more of an opportunity for you guys to make money, and me too. And I brought it. I found it. I wanted to bring it to you guys' attention, and so that you guys can maybe make a good decision and think if this is something that would be good for you guys and either make some money off of really quick for a quick flip, or if this is something you guys want to hold for the long term. So definitely tell me what you guys think. I'd love to hear some feedback and hope you guys have a good one. Take care.